Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I just totally scored at Costco. This is the GSI Camp Kitchen Kit. Typically just the knife and the cutting board itself is around $39.99 for the case. This, however, is a 24-piece for $49.99 at Costco right now. I went with my mom with a guest, so I mean, I ain't gotta pay extra for the fee. But let's check this out. So it does come with 4 sets of silverware, a scuffing pad so you can clean everything, a camp towel, a cheese grater just in case you need to get a little fancy out in the woods, a chef knife, paring knife, good to have your little knife, especially for, you know, small detail work, a ladle, tongs, spatula, salt and pepper shaker, and a very convenient bag to carry it all in. Let's open it up.